Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here again. Before I begin, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. And if you'd like to see something more personal, you'll always find it in my bio. Today I'm spending a little time in the bathroom, giving some quiet attention to this space. It's one of those corners that reflects more than just light, it reflects how we feel. A clean mirror always gives a sense of renewal, as if it helps clear not only what's in front of you, but also what's inside. There's something very calming about simple cleaning routines like this. You don't have to think too much, you just move slowly, and with each motion, the world around you becomes a little more peaceful. The air feels fresher, the space lighter, and somehow your thoughts fall into place. I love how small details can shift the entire mood of a room. Just a few moments of care, and everything feels brighter as if the day starts over. Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more calm cleaning routines, and if you'd like to see something more personal, there's always a link waiting in my bio. See you soon!